Hello friends, welcome today to my channels DLC TubeCom. Today again I have brought you one small video. Let me again introduce myself. My name is Devendra Chakma. I started making small videos on my YouTube channel DLC TubeCom. So you will get it. Please have a watch my small videos and encourage me to come with more videos. Today again I'll show you I have tried my best to cook noodles, the chow-meins at home, and which will me a very delicious taste. I have enjoyed. Please have a look from the beginning till end how I have done my cooking, the small videos. So hope you're going to try by yourselves and enjoy it cooking at home and taste delicious foods by trying to cook by yourselves. Please watch it and like it and share it. Thank you so much. I have gathered all the necessary things to be cooked. I have purchased 2 kilograms of noodles, 1 cabbage and 250 grams of carrots, 1 green capsicum. I have also green chili sauce, Ajinomoto, soya sauce, vinegar sauce and some chilies, red powder chilies also. So basically these are the things required for a noodle to be prepared. Just go on watching. Now I have a pan with water and now I've opened the noodles in one plate. I will cut down the carrots and cabbage. Carrot I will cut small slice by dissecting, and cabbage finely cutting. Now the water is boiling. I put 2 spoons of cooking oil before putting the noodles on the cooking pan. When it's become hot, I'll put the noodle, the chow-mein. Now I start the boiling, putting the noodles. I'll boil it till it cooked. So it should be cooked. So let's wait till the chow-mein is cooked, and in the meantime I will cut the vegetable, cabbage and carrot, and getting ready the mixture for the preparation of the noodles. Here I have done already cabbage and carrot, capsicums I have prepared all. Now mixture is ready. The noodle also cooked. This boil, it is nicely cooked. Now I prepare this tawa. This is a karai, big size karai. I'll put cooking oil and onion first. I will fry the onions till it's cooked with golden color. So the karai is heating, the water is drying out. So let's wait till the water is dry. Otherwise, if water remains there when mixed with oil, it will sparkles. So it is dried. The onion I cook, the oil, it is 2 spoons oil, cooking oil. It is not mustard oil, it is a refined oil. So onions start cooking. So let's wait till it's become golden fry. You have to stir time to time so that it doesn't get burned. Now onion is cooked. I'll put now the vegetable, cabbage, carrot and capsicum. Add some salt and ajinomoto. See, now I'm stirring to cook properly. So as soon as it cooked, after cooking it, I'll put the chow mein together and add green chili sauce, soya sauce, salt, again ajinomoto. Here it is. I have put the chow mein on top of the cooked vegetable. Now I have added this tomato sauce, soya sauce, green chilies, salt, and for spicy you can add red chili. See, now the dish is ready now. It is ready for eating. So nice color, you see, it is great, looking great. You can enjoy it.